So, then so normally what, these are goats. Oh, yeah. Really annoying goats. Big goat fan now. Okay, so they can go out here. And then since we have people coming at 11, we're just going to let the rabbits in here. The rabbits are right here. They're very excited to go out. So, by 11 o'clock, we need to be changing everybody.
Okay.
So, all right. That's what we got going on. And maybe there's rain left.
I know.
All right. This looks like a great